Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Lin Dui Kwong's channel. In today's video, I will answer a question from one of my students. So this student asked a question like this. I'll show you the video that the student recorded and sent to the group. He designed a layout featuring a block fusing area, but during the final physical printing process, the intricate fine lines and minute graphical details within that block fusing area do not appear or show up correctly on the final print. Here, take a look here. See, do you see that? This area right here. You should have been able to print the details inside the block fusing area. For example, like this. Here. When you create a block fusing area like this, you need to be able to print the lines of the small details inside so that later you can cut them. But right now, he's facing a situation where he can't. The printout doesn't show these details. The small details don't appear when printed. That's it. So I will answer his question and also record a video to share this with you all. And if you've watched up to this point and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support Lin Dui Kwong's channel. I know that you have watched many videos and gained quite a lot of valuable knowledge from Lin Dui Kwong's channel, but you still haven't subscribed yet. So please hit the subscribe button to support Lin Dui Kwong. Now, if you're facing a situation like this, here's what you should do. First, you'll click the plot command, right? In this marker plot panel, let me shrink it a bit so you can see. In this marker plot panel, you would normally click on the process button, and then a diagram known as the specific party file will appear for you to open and print. To give you a quick example, this is the dedicated printer control section. So you can see here the particular area where we apply the adhesive pressing does not clearly show the lines like in this specific reference diagram. With it like this, we can't cut it, right? So if you're currently dealing with this problem, here is what you need to do. You'll navigate over to this particular section right here, plot parameters. Right click on this line and then select open. Once the marker plot window appears on your screen, please go ahead and uncheck the die cut block option for me. After that is done, click save and then minimize this window. Now click the process button for me and then click process once again. Next, please open the specific file that we have just exported as a PRT HPCL file. Sabi now. Looking there, you can immediately see that all of the lines have been successfully printed out. And that's what I wanted to share with all of you about these commands. And remember to subscribe to Lin Dui Kwong's channel to support us. Goodbye and see you in the next sharing videos.